Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Badoo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Badoo. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to badoo.com. On the home page, tap Already have an account. Now enter your email address or mobile number and enter the password linked to your account. If you forget your login information, tap Forgot Login or Password and follow the instructions. When done, tap Let's Go. And that's how you log in to Badoo. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.